So, I'm gonna demonstrate how to build a game for beginners as of now. So, all I wanna demonstrate is the direction of your player. So to get started, um, should you should click the new project. Then I just want to demonstrate how the basic game development in Unity will work. So instead, you should change the name of Unity project to my first Unity project. So we're gonna check it out. Oh, yes, I'm recording. So my first Unity project, and if you want to learn 3D, well, all I know is just I want to learn 3D game development. So for example, the location, better to choose its choose the My Documents as your default location. Well, you can create a custom folder for that. So as for me, the default is the documents. So create project. So maybe I should wait for it. Create a project. So should wait for it. Yes, it's another Unity project. I'm using the Unity 5.6.0 beta 4 as of now. Yes. So here I come. So this is the basic Unity project you need to learn as of now. So you can see the main camera, then directional light. So there are the default components as of now, the built-in components. So it's better to add a 3D object. Then look for terrain. So wait for it. This is the terrain. So the main camera itself, you it can move it the center. So I don't think what's the direction of the center. Maybe I should drag it. Then drag it. You wonder how I got to learn it. So wait, I wanna demonstrate. So wait for it. so so as of now, I'm demonstrating the basic Unity game tutorials. So for the beginners or for the first timers, you should familiarize the concept of it, the navigation itself. So you can see X, Y, and Z. So here we come, the X coordinates, Z coordinates, and the Y coordinates. If you click it, it will change the perspective. Yep. So as of now, should look for terrain. Oh, so you're wondering how? So take note of it. So wait, I wanna change the font. Is that itself? So okay. So panning the screen, you should use the click the scroll bar. So gotta try it. Scroll bar. I mean yes. Then if you want to rotate the scene, I mean this one, rotate the scene, And this is where, and this is the scene. For example, this is the game where if you played your game, it will appear, it will appear the scene. For example, if you were going to play the game, so as of now, you should familiarize, rotate the scene. So to rotate the scene, you should right click the mouse. So as of now, it's it. Right click. So to pan, click the scroll bar, and to rotate, just click the right click the mouse. And for example, if you want to select, for example, if you want to select multiple game objects, just press the left click the mouse. I mean left click. For example, it's left click. So, for example, it's our scene is non-titled. So, better if you want to save scenes. So, my first Unity project. So, my first first scene Unity. So save it. My first scene. Oh, to appear here. That's your project panel. So as of now, you can see your imported game objects or every files that exists in your project right there. In project button. So, for example, if you want to create your new folder, just click create folder, another directory. So if you want to drag a lot of script, for example, we need to code for it as of now. So scripts right now. So we have here the scripts. Then I want to create a 3D object. So it's up to you. So I require the cube. I require the cube. I mean, so you can see here the cube itself and the camera. Oh, camera is so far away right now. So if you want to just drag the camera, just do it. Then, gosh, the cube and the main camera is so far away. So as of now, I should right click and then you can delete the main camera itself. See, display one no cameras rendering. So cube, I wanna just just select the camera itself. So camera will appear here. So you can see it's not yet located right there. You can see the transform. So here, so what if copy component itself? So try to copy component of it as of now and then drag up the camera. I mean, so the camera itself, just drag it up. So paste component values. I mean, it should be, can drag it like, gosh, this problem. So try to relocate it until you can see your game object. Oh, that's it. So you can see the cube itself. So that's it. It's not yet so visible as of now. The cube itself. So we can see here in game. This is how this is how it show the gameplay in Unity if you click the play button. But later on, I need to drag it as of now. Then the camera itself, I need to make it closer. Make it closer. I mean, So it's up to you if you want to change the perspective in different locations. So I advise here it's ideal. So you can see the cube itself. So adjust the camera more like that. So as you can see, you can. Oh, I forgot. Yes, I have another one to zoom in, zoom out, uh, roll the, the scroll bar and mouse. That's it. So I think I wish it is that clear, so I can share my ideas to you. So that's it. Oh, yes, I made it like that. So for us to see how it looks like. Oh, I have no material. So you can just create another folder that says there materials. But we can have its materials. So create new material like that. For the box. Then, are you wondering how to drag it up? So drag it like that. So I will change the color of my cube to blue. I prefer blue. So like that. So we have our player. So I need to rename its player. The player itself. Or assume or imagine that it is your main character right now. So just monitor if I'm recording my tutorial. So in our project, are you wondering how our cube will move by just pressing the buttons in my PC? So imagine you want to navigate it, right? So like that. So navigate to assets, click the scripts, and then create new C# script, and then it will say, then name it Space Collider. So I will just, yes, name it Space Collider, like that, Space Collider. So I will demonstrate how it will move on the terrain and jump and all. So we'll try to open it, and the default compiler of it is mono develop. So take note, to pan the screen, just click the scroll bar. Take note to rotate the screen, it's like right click the mouse, and like that. So select the multiple game objects, left click the mouse. Oh, it's already selected the terrain. So zoom in, zoom out, roll the scroll bar. So I'm just monitoring if I'm keep recording. Yes, I'm recording it. Ha, no errors found. So we should type our script. This is our first script in our tutorial. It's a little bit long, so instead I should declare some floats. Like it float, move, horizontal, move horizontal, float, move vertical. Mm, it's in public float. I mean public float, public float, move, move speed, public float, um rotate rotation speed. So public float jump speed. So here I will demonstrate the function if your player will jump in game. So assume it's already in 8.0 f. F means float. So for you to convert the decimal into float, so you need to put f every ending of each float, or else you will get an error. Jump speed. Then the gravity. Public float gravity is 20.0 f, for example. So another here. Public float speed. Public private vector 3. Private vector 3. Move direction. Move direction. Yes. Vector 3. Vector 3 dot 0. This will determine your character in every direction to move, like that. So will this one will automatically, oh, we need a character controller. Just put inside character controller inside the script. Then you need the rigid body RB. So just void start. So here you need to type some components inside the void start. I mean, CC is the character controller. CC equals get component. Character controller get component. Oh, rigid body is equals get component. Rigid body. So what's it? Oh, void update. So here I suggest type the vector 3 forward equals input that get axis. So it means should be vertical. Times transform the transform direction transform vector to that forward. Then times oh, get lag. We just monitor. Oh, it's full charge. Times move speed. So another is transform transform dot rotate capital rotate new vector 3 new vector 3 new vector 3 was 0 put that get axis. So this is horizontal, vertical, horizontal times rotation speed. Oh no, not yet. I'm not yet finished it. Times time the delta time 0 0. That's it. Vector 3. Sorry. CC the move forward. CC that move forward times time the delta time CC that simple move horizontal plus input the get axis horizontal here transform the translate move vertical times time the delta time times move speed times vector 3 that forward. So I'm not translate. Yes, checking it. It's fine, correct. Transform that rotate. So for rotation, transform that rotate for vector 3 that up. Times horizontal time the time times horizontal times that delta time times rotation speed 10. That's it. The one is character controller is equals to get component, then character controller oh, then, mm, if if else if controller that is grounded, sorry for this, move direction is equals new vector 3 was input that get axis. Oh no, that's a long time. Horizontal 0. Once again, I have my previous code here. Just figuring out if I'm doing the correct thing. Previous type code, so input that get yes, I'm doing the right thing. Input that get axis x vertical. Oh no. Then another one. First move directions. The second one. The second one is also move direction is equals transform direction, transform direction. Move direction, move direction, move direction, move direction times equals speed. Oh, it's speed. Here is if input that get key code that space just want to put a jump feature for my player, I mean, and I will type it. So key code space move direction jump speed. Yes, it worked. So Below it, below the parse, I mean, below it, below this bracket, I will type also some external codes, I mean, other, gosh, other codes of direction that y. We need the gravity itself. Gravity times time that delta time. Then controller that move. Then it's in move direction times time that delta time. So I wish it work, or I wish that I can make it work as of now. So, oh gosh, ah, wrong bit. So sorry for it. It's it's such asterisk. I mean, I will type asterisk for it. Sorry for those. That's why we need to run it. So it works like that. So wait for it, for our first script to work with it. Need to wait. Yes, work. So here we will drag it. We will drag it on this box. So just to elaborate it, so the name of the box is player. So drag it like that, and you can see here the space collider. So instead, should set up, we drag it so you can see it, the space collider here. So set up the move speed to 80, or if I'm not mistaken, it's not 8, it's 10. So the rotation speed is 80. So we'll think if it will work, or I will just test it. So I wish it would work. I have the box collider here. Or maybe it should. See how it will work here. Yes, it's rotating. Yes. There's no character controller attached to the player game object. A street can't access it. Oh, I forgot. Yes, I forgot. Should attach the character controller itself. For itself. It needs character controller. So here, it's required. Yes, I require you to attach the character controller. Oh, yes, work. Yes, yes. The box is moving right now. Can see it. Yes. Huh. So I will see it. There is such box collider. Well, I'll try. It's a little bit bumpy. That's it's bumping. Oh, until now it's bumping. It's fine. Character controller. So center of things. 5. Yes. You can see here we're going to adjust the center of it. It will just rise. As you can see here, the radius is 0.5. I think it should be supposed to be 1. Then it's supposed to be like 0.3. Perfect. It's like that. So, as you can see, there's the character controller. So, what we need to do is to attach the camera to the player. I mean, so that will follow where the player will move. I mean, for any direction like that. So, before I should finish, before I finish this tutorial, yes, like that. Yes. Oh, I'm lacking of components. So, what if we add some game object just to determine if the cube, then in project click the sets, or just click it. So materials, click create another material, then this green box, then the other material is, I mean, it's the red box. Together we will just change, it's red, we just change the color of them. So it's, if it's green, it's green, like that. So what we name for it is the green box. Then try, you can also do this one here, you can drag it. Yes, and you can drag it also in game object. Whatever option you would choose, it's okay, fine. If you will drag the material to the box, then for example it's red box, oh, it's more convenient. So we can see we got the non-playable character or NPCs. This time I am demonstrating that, for example, I am demonstrating that I am demonstrating the boxes, the the other boxes are NPCs, and the blue box is the player. So think and try to imagine that you're playing your own game, and then you have a player, you have NPCs. So we got it. So I suggest you to make the game play full screen. Just hit shift plus space key, like this. So do it, shift space. Yes. Then run. Yes. And then da 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 da. Yes. Our character is moving like a third person game. Yes, it looks like third person game. So, Holly Dandy, thanks for watching. Then for another third person game idea, just follow me and connect with me. Then I will share a lot of more to you today about game development. So, see ya!